Guys, welcome back to my food vlog. Today we're going to be making karaage, starting with chicken thigh into bite sizes. Ingredients are fairly simple. It's garlic, ginger. You want to go ahead and smash it, start chopping them. As for the ginger, you want to do the same into small pieces. Add salt, black pepper, sesame oil, sake, mirin, soy sauce. You want to mix it really well so they can get to know each other. Go ahead and wrap it up for 20 minutes. To the fridge you go. We're going to get some cornstarch, Korean flour, and give it the good crunch. Water to our cornstarch so we can get them plumpy. So you can have minimal chunks, but baby chunks. Wait, we snack. My sister made some tang and it was fire. After 20 minutes, go ahead and take it out of the fridge. Get one egg and hit it on your head. Like me. Boom. Just like that. See? You want to mix it very well. And go ahead and add your flour. Add in 2 tablespoons. Mix well and add it onto the cornstarch. They should look something like this. To the deep fryer you go. And don't also forget your oil drain rack. You're gonna need that. I set my flame to medium-high heat. A little bit of cornstarch to make sure that it's hot. Go ahead and dunk them in. They should be swimming, not drowning. Just like this. Look at that golden brown. Out the fryer you go, let it rest, 5 minutes, dump them back in for a double fry. Oh yeah, let's give this a go, you guys. It's actually pretty good. Chicken Karaage. Thanks for watching, guys.